There's a widespread support for this initiative for several reasons. First of all, we know that at the end of October last year, the world's population hit 7 billion, and that's really quite a shock because the population is increasing so very rapidly now. It won't be another 50 years and it'll be over 9 billion. But particularly disquieting the fact that of that 7 billion, more than 1 billion are starving and at risk of dying of starvation, while in parallel with that, more than 1 billion are clinically obese. So we need to address the twin problems as a matter now of desperate urgency.
I think this is an opportunity for a journal to respond to the needs of those scientists to publish. We are very keen to see that those scientists will find in AFS, Agricultural Food Security Journal, the opportunity to present their research. And we would be in this domain very glad to provide this kind of assistance to them. AFS is a wide scope journal. It's an online open access, and with this spirit I think we can attract a lot of young people's research, and we can help them publish this research and share their knowledge with the scientific public and as well with the public in general.
The power of the internet has been demonstrated here in Egypt by moving things beyond all imagination, and it's an important job we have because it's not just another paper, another business, it's a mission behind it.
I associate the mission of this journal with the achievements of Nobel Peace Prize winner Norman Borlaug, who was the architect of the so-called Green Revolution in agriculture, which has been described as saving the lives of 1 billion people who would otherwise have starved without the enhancement of food production that was enabled by the Green Revolution. Norman Borlaug's mission included a lot of technical matters, but at the bottom line, he said his particular mission was to persuade young people of the importance of agriculture, of the importance of research in agriculture, and of delivering outcomes. We certainly want this journal to serve that purpose as a matter of very high priority. I think this is a splendid idea that we should have the opportunity to celebrate the launch of the new journal here while we're eating, because it allows me to be rather brutal and say, while we're eating, and probably most of us in this room are more worried about eating too much than any possibility of eating too little. More than 1 billion people are dying of starvation.
This is an opportunity for serious young scientists to do the research and hope that they will be able to publish and share the research to the whole world.
fact, find ways of encouraging the young scientists in these countries to take charge of that quest for knowledge will enable us, I think, to meet the challenge of hunger in this world, to meet the challenge of ecological conservation, to meet the challenge of being able to meet the needs of 9 and more billion people on the planet and still preserve and protect our environment. So this is, in that context, not only does it rejoin my institution's fundamental mission of access to all people for all knowledge at all times, but it also, I think, responds to a very felt need to be able to rise to the challenge of agricultural food security in this new century.